Your eyewitness weather forecast.
A great December thaw happening for us today. We enjoyed some partial sunshine midday, and the sky was doing some interesting things at sundown. Check out this beautiful sunset we had tonight. Still setting before 4:30, but getting a little bit later now, and where days are still getting shorter, but only until next week. They'll be getting longer starting on Wednesday. Now, today's high ended up being 63 degrees in Utica. That shatters the old record of 50 degrees. This will go down in the books as the warmest December 16th since record keeping has began. Our normal temperature this time of year, by the way, 35 degrees. So tomorrow we'll get into the mid-40s, still about 10 degrees above normal, but much cooler than it was today for us here tomorrow. 36 in Old Forge, 43 in Ilion for a high, 45 in Oneonta, and we will have a wind chill factor tomorrow as well. So it feels like the 30s for many for most of the day there tomorrow. Now you see the radar is pretty quiet right now. We had some light showers in the North Country. We do have more moving in from the west at the moment. You'll see this cold front here. It's very moisture-starved, very little shower activity happening, but we'll see a couple of those coming through here later on this evening with the cold front coming through. After that, skies are going to open up, and we'll have partly to mostly sunny skies here tomorrow. Now, those of you living north of the thruway will likely be dealing with some more clouds tomorrow, but elsewhere, plenty of sunshine and a nice quiet day. Clouds thicken up here tomorrow night, and then snow arrives for us here on Saturday morning. We're expecting snow through much of the day. Several inches will accumulate. That's going to cause some slippery roads, and on top of that, we'll have the chance for some ice, some freezing rain and sleet also possible. So we're looking at a good 3 to 6 inches of snow from Utica up into the North Country, including Old Forge and Boonville. 1 to 3 inches for points further south of the valley, like Cooperstown down to Oneonta. And from the valley down south, we will have the chance for some ice, so some sleet and freezing rain possible in this area later in the day on Saturday. It'll be the snow changing to sleet and rain, and then back to snow on Saturday night as temperatures fall. So we are looking tonight at temperatures in the mid-30s for lows. Really not bad for this time of year. We'll see just a few spotty showers coming through. Tomorrow's a nice quiet day for us, and then we have that snow and ice happening here on Saturday. Temperatures in the low 30s, and starting Saturday, temperatures are back to normal. You'll see our highs next week in the low to mid-30s. That is more like what we would expect for this time of year. It looks like a fairly quiet pattern next week. Maybe some snow by Thursday, only very small chances for flurries, but get ready for a very cold start to the week, waking up Monday morning in the teens next week, and I'll feel appropriate as we close the door on fall and open it for winter on Tuesday.
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at what's coming up tonight on News Nation.
Your eyewitness weather forecast.
Yes, it is really December 16th, and it is really 61 degrees here at 11:10 p.m. We actually have the warmer air still being pushed in ahead of the cold front we have coming through right now. As soon as the wind shifts, we will start to see that temperature drop. We're starting to see the wind pick up already, gusting a little bit. And earlier on today, we actually hit a high temperature of 63 degrees. That shattered the old record of 50. So today will go down in the record books as the warmest December 16th. Normal highs in the mid-30s. Tomorrow will be closer to normal, mid-40s in Utica in the afternoon. So still running actually a little bit warm for this time of year. 37 in Old Forge tomorrow, 43 in Ilion, and we will have a wind chill factor, so it's going to feel like the 20s and 30s for us for much of the day there tomorrow. Now you see on the radar right now we have a little bit of light rain moving through. This is right out ahead of the cold front, so once the rain wraps up, we will see that wind shift and that colder air starting to come in later tonight. Also, the skies opening up as well. We'll see that clearing happening for a nice quiet day tomorrow. Now those in the North Country may be battling a little bit of cloud cover, but notice the sunshine for the valley down south. We'll have a beautiful quiet day, though cold and breezy. A nice break from all the rain and snow until Saturday. We will have the clouds thickening up here Friday night, and then Saturday morning, snow starts to work its way in. You'll see that here. A couple of inches expected to accumulate. This is going to cause slick roads. Best to avoid travel on Saturday if you can. Looks like most of the storm will be snow for us, but we do have the possibility of a period of sleet, maybe even a little bit of freezing rain. So that would make the roads roads even more of a mess. Keep that in mind. Right now we're looking at about 3 to 6 inches of snow for the Utica area up north all the way up to Old Forge and beyond, and then 1 to 3 inches mainly for about Route 20 on south. We'll see 1 to 3 inches of snow. More ice expected in that area, and also a period of freezing rain, especially down towards Oneonta, further south towards Sydney. Some freezing rain possible Saturday evening, so roads will be very, very slick there. Just keep this in mind. The snow will be enough to create those slick roads, but it has that added icy potential as well. Now we have full moon happening Saturday night. The cold moon is what December's full moon is called, but it will be too cloudy, unfortunately, to see it. So try to catch it tomorrow night if you can. It actually rises tomorrow afternoon at 3:20 p.m. It'll be 99% full, so you'll be able to catch that a day ahead of time. And also Sunday night, you may be able to catch a peak as well. So tonight we're down into the mid-30s. 40s tomorrow. It'll still feel like the 30s because of the wind, though. Quite breezy for us tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies, though. Will be a nice day ahead of the snow expected on Saturday. And notice what happens Saturday onward with the high temperatures back to normal. It does look like even beyond the 7-day forecast will be in a chilly pattern. So definitely appropriate. We kick off winter officially on Tuesday. Highs are in the low to mid 30s. Monday morning will be a very cold morning, 12 degrees, and we say below freezing all day long. Looks like a fairly quiet week, some chances for flurries here and there, and once we start to get Christmas in sight, we'll talk about our chances of a white Christmas. But the snow Saturday looks like it'll have a chance to hang on with those cold temperatures as well.
There we go, kind of a cheating white Christmas if the snow is still left on the ground.
Does that count, or is it fresh snow? It's up for debate. We'll have to do a poll.
Definitely. Thanks, Colleen.
You're welcome.
There's more Eyewitness News coming up after the break.